In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways you can use Facebook video ads to boost sales for your business. That's coming up in just a moment. Hey, I'm Francesca from Get Ahead Media, and I'm all about helping biz owners and entrepreneurs to create better videos faster so they can grow their businesses online. So make sure you hit that little subscribe button down there if this is your first time here. So on to today's topic, Facebook video ads, but why would you want to use them? I mean, most people think they cost heaps of money and they're not really worth it. Or they expect that they put in $1, they're going to get $2 out immediately. It's not entirely how they work. You have to be strategic in how you use your video ads. But the reason they're so powerful is because people want them and people are compelled to buy after seeing them. In fact, Animoto reported that 64% of consumers made a purchase after watching a video on Facebook. And in all my tests of using video ads throughout my business, my ads have always outperformed my photos by about 78 to 88%. So they're super powerful at engaging and converting your audience. So I want to get you started with 3 ways that you can use Facebook video ads to boost sales in your business. Number 1, drive leads into your email list. So have you ever heard the expression, the money is in the list? Well, this means that your email list is where the money's at, and you need to keep building that list in order to be able to sell to a wider audience. And Facebook video ads are brilliant at getting people into your email list. And then when they're in your email list, you can sell to them. Happy days! So you do that by way of a freebie or a lead magnet and create a short 10-15 second video that gives the audience everything they need to know to make a decision to sign up to your email list and get that freebie offer. But it has to be something they want. And when I use this strategy to get people into my email list, it costs me only 75 cents per sign up for getting people into that email list from Facebook. And that's with a 15-second video that I made in 5 minutes on my phone. Number 2, promoting high-value video content and then retargeting this audience. So this is next level marketing here, and it costs you literally pennies. So what you do is you create a video on your Facebook page that gives a lot of value to your audience and use it to create an ad with in the ads manager. Then you promote that video to a cold audience so you can start warming them up, and a warm audience so you keep them super engaged and ready to buy whatever offer you put out there. But the really cool thing is when you use this strategy before a launch, it means you can retarget the people that watch 25, 50% or 90% of your video, and those are the people that are going to be most likely to buy. And you've warmed them up with high value content that cost you pennies. Number 3, using video to retarget non-buyers. Have you ever heard about the marketing rule of 7? Which is about people need to see or hear from you 7 times before they're in a position that they will be happy to buy. So these types of ads, retargeting ads, can take people who have seen your sales page and redirect them back there, reminding them that that offer's still there, that's still available and not to miss out. So you're showing up, hopefully 7 times, in order to get them to buy from you. And this video, because they already know you, can be really simply made as long as you're talking to your audience's challenges or their goals and their needs and how your product serves that. So that's just 3 simple ways you can use video ads, but the power of the video ad is phenomenal. It can be across your business. There are so many ways you can use it that are specific to what you want to achieve. But if you know you want to use Facebook video ads and you're not really sure how to go about it or how to use the ads manager, or it seems overwhelming or you don't want to waste your money, then I want to let you know that this Black Friday, I have a special offer on my Get Ahead with Facebook video ads program. So click the link in the description and sign up to the early bird waitlist so you're the first to know about that special offer. Now, thank you so much for watching. Get cracking with your videos, and until next time, happy filming.